Hello, amazing family, amazing friends. Thank you for stopping by on my channel. If you're seeing this video for the first time, please do well to subscribe. Support your baby girl by subscribing, like, and comment. Today I want to prepare stew, so I got these tomatoes down the street yesterday night. So today I decided to make the stew. So I'm done blending. Then I have to bring out defrost my chicken from the fridge so that I can start making the stew. So guys, please stay to the end of this video. Don't forget to support your babe by subscribing.